Hello! In this video, I'll provide a brief overview of Screencast-O-Matic and some of its applications for teaching online. Screencast-O-Matic simultaneously captures your movements on the computer screen and your voice so you can provide narration for slideshows, demonstrate a computer application, or show students how to navigate a website. I'll provide examples of these applications and do a quick demonstration to show you how Screencast-O-Matic works. To get started, you'll go to Screencast-O-Matic.com and click the Start Recording button. You'll be prompted to download the recorder launcher, and then you'll see a black and white frame and a menu with controls and settings. You can choose to record just the screen, your webcam, or both. Now we're in the corner. Click the record button and all of the action inside the frame will be captured. I have a PowerPoint slideshow inside the frame as an example so you can see how the slide displays as I click through them while I talk. I can go from slide to slide and tell the students about the economic context of Mississippi in the 1940s through the 1960s. Go on to my next slide and talk about social context, and on to political context. Now I'm recording my web browser where I have a Prezi presentation ready to go. I can advance through the Prezi slides while I talk, just as I did with the PowerPoint slides. And this is just another way of presenting content. I'm showing some photos here of Mississippi in the 1940s through the 1960s to talk about Anne Moody's life. And so I can go from slide to slide and show students the photos I have here. I'm now clicking on another tab in my browser to go to a Google Doc so that I can show students how to write a paper. For instance, I might demonstrate how to download the doc by going to File, selecting Download As, and choosing PDF, and explaining to the students all the steps they need to take to download a PDF. You can also show students how to navigate websites. For example, let's go to the santarosa.edu homepage. And for example, you can tell students how to search the schedule of classes and narrate all of the steps that you're taking to search the schedule of classes. When you're finished, you'll click the Done button, and several options will appear, which include the option to save the recording as an MP4 video file to your computer. With the Pro version of Screencast-O-Matic, you'll also see the option to edit the video using Screencast-O-Matic editing tools. With these tools, you can cut, hide, and insert video segments to your recording, or add overlays, change the speed of the recording, add transitions, and more. These tools are really easy to use and are well worth the $15 a year for the Pro version of Screencast-O-Matic. The Pro Recorder also includes a draw and zoom tool, so you can draw on the screen or double-click to zoom. That's it for this video. Be sure to check out the tutorials on the Screencast-O-Matic.com website at help.screencast-o-matic.com.